If you've got this remote and you need to change the battery, you need a CR-2032. So what you do is remove this section of the remote. Okay, so you just pop the piece out, take your key out. Now, where the opening is, you take a screwdriver, you could take a knife, you could take your finger. I'm gonna try with my finger right now. Pop the back out, like that. You'll need a screwdriver or a knife. Done. This is the plus side. Point it down. Make sure the contact to the base is in. Pop it back together. Okay, then you make a nice hard snap. Make sure it's together. Pop your key back in. Done. And that's what it takes to change your battery.